Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable MFA for all Salesforce users. This is particularly useful if your organization is transitioning to a different authentication method or if you need to temporarily adjust your security settings for administrative purposes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to look toward the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. You'll see a gear icon there. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. It's your gateway to all the configuration and customization options that Salesforce has to offer, so becoming familiar with this icon is essential for managing your organization's settings effectively. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Setup. This action will take you into the administrative backend of your Salesforce org, where you can control virtually every aspect of how your system operates. The setup area is where all the important configuration work happens, so you'll be spending quite a bit of time here. Now that you're in setup, direct your attention to the quick find box on the left side of the screen. This search functionality is incredibly helpful for navigating Salesforce's extensive settings without having to scroll through countless menus. In this quick find box, type identity. This will filter the menu options and bring up all the identity-related settings available in your organization. From the filtered results, look for and click on Identity Verification under the Identity section. This is where Salesforce manages all the authentication and verification requirements for user logins. Clicking this option will open up the specific settings page where you can control how users prove their identity when accessing your Salesforce org. On the Identity Verification page, you'll see a section dedicated to multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Within this section, you'll find a checkbox labeled Require Multi-Factor Authentication MFA for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. This setting, when checked, enforces MFA for every user who logs in directly through the Salesforce user interface. To disable MFA for all users, simply uncheck this box. This action will remove the MFA requirement organization-wide, allowing users to log in with just their username and password. Finally, you'll need to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the settings page, and click it. This confirms your changes and applies them across your entire Salesforce organization. Keep in mind that disabling MFA does reduce your security posture, so only make this change if you have alternative security measures in place or if it's part of a planned transition. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled MFA for all Salesforce users in your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.